With Holley's newest brand, Anvil Off-Road, you don't have to worry about getting stuck out in the trails. With a complete line of heavy-duty winches available for your rig, you can push the limits and get out of any jam with an Anvil Off-Road winch. Available in 4 pulling capacities, make sure to choose the right winch for your application. The general rule of thumb is it should be able to pull 1.5 times the loaded weight of your vehicle. To get a quick approximation, figure out the weight of your loaded rig and multiply it by 1.5. If you plan on getting your rig's axles buried in mud, play it safe and multiply by 2 instead of 1.5 to get your calculation. Anvil Off-Road electric winches deliver massive pulling capacity and are ideal for use on Jeeps, full-size trucks, and trailers. Powered by either a 5.5 horsepower 12-volt motor for 9,500 pound pulling capacity or a 6.6 horsepower motor with a 12,000 pound pulling capacity. They are both available with either a metal cable with a 4-way roller fair lead or a synthetic rope with a billet aluminum fair lead. And the wireless remote is invaluable when loading a vehicle on a trailer or anywhere it would be difficult to reach the remote wired switch. Anvil Off-Road 4,500 pound winches provide more than enough pulling capacity to handle ATVs, UTVs, and car trailers. They are powered by an efficient 3.5 horsepower 12-volt permanent magnet motor with a 3-stage planetary gear. They come with your choice of a metal cable and a 4-way roller fair lead or a synthetic rope with an aluminum hawse fair lead. The wireless remote is perfect for loading a vehicle on a trailer because it allows you to steer the vehicle with one hand and control the winch with the other. To service your Anvil Off-Road winches, a huge assortment of replacement parts and accessories are available. Be sure to check the website for all these accessories. Anvil Off-Road accessory kits are packed with not just a nice array of accessories, but the exact pieces you'll most likely need. Included are the most common recovery accessories necessary to get you out of a bind and back on the trails. 2 10-foot tree saver tow straps, 2 3/4-inch bow shackles, a pulley block with a greased fitting, a tow hook, heavy-duty gloves, and a tough durable bag to store them all in. Make sure the first mod on your 4x4 is an Anvil Off-Road winch. Thanks for watching. For more information on Anvil Off-Road products, visit our website at anvil-offroad.com.